You are already knowing what it is. We are back again with them Hollywood trades. I got DXY in my sights right now on this one. Haven't really considered this chart as much with the movement lately. It just all seemed pretty neat. Like everything's been bullish, and so even with this chart being bullish for this period of time, as long as this has been bullish, you would expect that other things would be kind of choppy with that. What they say, risk on, risk off is here. There's not as much risk as the DXY is going down usually, which is crazy. That's how they classify it. But with the way the chart is situated, you can kind of see that everything else right now, because I feel like this is a double bottom type of situation. Maybe even if you count this level as an initial level, then a sweep, and then that whole Wyckoff uh, thing going on, liquidity sweeping with that. And so we come right below that sweep point. And it kind of struck me yesterday that I needed to show this because a lot of people say, I even had, I'm not going to show the messages, but I had a guy that was saying that you can't use technicals to see what's going on in the markets. It's all news based. That may be the case. I don't refute that. I'm a fundamentals guy myself, but there is something strange where either if you're a news guy, you have to say that this was already priced in for it to. I had this imbalance. Anybody who has this imbalance, if you have an imbalance indicator, you would have seen on the daily that it would show this imbalance here, up against this block, what they classify as a support block at this point, or an origin. That this was the origin of this bullish impulse here. From you always use the block that retraced and then the candle. So that's just supply and demand. That's just supply and demand 101. Anyway, God bless people, whatever. But clearly this candle respected that to the T, and that's what I wanted to show. I just wanted everybody to see this right here. That was a very peculiar. Whenever that happens, it's always peculiar to me because I haven't always known. I haven't